Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ACER Iconia A10 and let me share with you how to reset your preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to find the apps. They should be at the top, almost at the top. Now let's tap on see all 39 apps, of course 39 in my case, 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on reset of preferences. Here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.